I have some things here that are totally amazing for the Lulav on Succot. And it all emanates from the idea that the Etrog is HaKodesh Baruch Hu. That comes down, Etrog comes down as 610. And the letters HaKodesh Baruch Hu in shorthand are Hey, Kaf, Bet, Hey, fully spelt out, which is 610. So HaKodesh Baruch Hu is 610. Now, today I learned that the Lulav is held at the heart level, not at the bris level when you do the shaking of the Lulav. So this means, again, it's the Vav, but it's the upper part of the Vav. There are two Vavs. There's a Vav in Tiferet and a Vav in Yesod. And so what we're really doing is the Vav in Tiferet, in the heart. And as you see, the middle letter of Tiferet is an Aleph. And the middle of that is a Vav. And that's the Lulav. And you know, in the 10 Sephirot, the only Aleph is in Tiferet. And the middle letter of Tiferet is this Aleph. Two to the right, two to the left. Remember, I've said that the Tov Pei, the 480, that's the Sitra Akra. That's to the right. And so here now, wait till you see this. When you do the shaking of the Lulav, you have to have it at the heart, and that's the two hands that hold the center pillar of the Vav there. That's the Yud on the right and the Yud on the left. A Yud is really a Yad. Actually, it's a Yad with a Vav in it. It's a Yud is a Yad with a Vav in it. Okay? And now, wait till you see this, and this is my Hiddush here. If you take the bottom Yud, and the Resh and the Tov, you get 610. 610. The bottom Yud of the Aleph and the Resh and the Tov gives you 610. 610 is Etrog. Etrog is found in the word Tiferet. And when you're shaking the Lulav, have in mind the Aleph, that's what you're really doing, the two hands, the right hand holding the Lulav and the left hand holding the Etrog, coming together. Now I have here other gematria of Pei and Resh. That's 81 and 500. That's 581 plus two letters. That's 500. Two letters. That's 583. Pei and Resh, and that comes out to be the same as Lulav, which is 572 plus 11 letters, 583. So again, there's Lulav here with the Pei and the Resh, and the Lulav and the Lulav in the center there. The Vav being held by the two Yads. So this is just some of the material that I discovered here when told that the Lulav is supposed to be waved from the heart area. which is the upper part of the Vavs, because there are two Vavs. One is in Tiferet and the other is in Yesod.